What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Kemimoto Rear soft window to install and kind of review for you guys. Kemimoto reached out to us and sent us a couple things. The rear window is going to be the first thing we're going to install. A little bit about this rear window, why you need a rear window on a UTV. One, it's going to protect you from the rain, wind, and dust. Here in Michigan, we get snow also, so it kind of keeps you warm. Kemimoto does sell upper doors. We don't have that on this thing. Maybe we might try to kind of complete the enclosure. We do have a front windshield, but not from Kemimoto. We have a hard one. But Kemimoto does sell upper soft windows on the sides also, so you can get a full enclosure. The frame of this window, they sent me here. It says it's a PVC cloth, water resistant, strong, friction resistant, and tear resistant. The center is a PVC high definition transparent film, providing a clear view. It looks just like your normal, like whatever clear vinyl that you're really gonna get. I don't think you can get real quick. It does feel pretty thick. It's just a normal clear soft window. It's really built really good. It's got a full zipper, so you can actually open it, roll it down, keep it to have it open during the summertime, and then zip it back up to in the real dusty days or winter days. So we're gonna throw this up on here. Shouldn't be too hard. It's just a bunch of Velcro straps. It does have a sticky Velcro here at the bottom. Is the only other thing. I believe it goes on the warning label. We get to cover up the warning label down there. That way you can, you're still able to remove it for your airbox and stuff. So that's nice. They actually thought about that. But yeah, we'll get this up on there and check it out. So I just got this installed. A little tip, if you were trying to get all these wrinkles out of this vinyl here, I don't know if you can kind of tell, it's not really tight across there. You can take a heat gun and go back and forth, and it'll stretch this vinyl out, or shrink it I should say, and get all those little wrinkles out. Also, one thing that I didn't do yet is tape that, or remove the adhesive and stick it on there. I want to wait till it gets a little warmer so it'll actually stick there. It's pretty cold right now. I could also do a heat gun here and then stick it on there, but I don't have one right now. So we're just going to worry about that later. But all in all, it fits pretty well. I think it's going to work great for what we want. It'll definitely keep the dust out a little better and the snow out of there in the wintertime. I think eventually we're going to go with some upper doors for next winter. That way we have a full enclosure and we can get some heat in that sucker and not have to wear a bunch of clothing. If you guys like this product, I'll throw a link in the description. I'm going to show you right now what it will look like when you click on the link. So if you click on it right now, it's going to take you to Kemimoto's Amazon store. You can see here that it's 80 bucks, pretty cheap. It's good for, this particular one is the Polaris RZR XP and XP 4-seat. It's from 2014 and up, I believe. This is a 21, so it fits perfect. It also fits the 2016 XP4 and turbos. I mean, they're the same. They're the same thing. I don't know why they need to clarify that, but you can see on here just some different pictures of it. If you're also looking for side windows, here's I could throw another link in there for those. That way you can get your full enclosure. I'd prefer you to pick your own front windshield. They do make soft ones, but I prefer a hard window front windshield. But here is the side windows from Kemimoto. They actually, after you click on the main link, they show that you can pair with your purchase and get these. But the side ones are a little more expensive. I mean, obviously it comes with two. They're a little bit bigger as well. But same material, full zipper, roll down design, water resistant. Yeah, same as everything as the rear window. So that's the end of this video. I just want to thank Kemimoto for sending out some stuff for us. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click that link. These are actually great products, I think, for the price. If you like this video, hit that like button. Maybe consider subscribing also. We have a lot more videos like this on our channel. We have riding videos, different install videos. I will be having another video coming out with this Kemimoto stuff is the lower doors. Stock machines don't come with doors, they're just an open hole. So we have some metal, like aluminum lower door inserts to install. So we'll be posting that next. So maybe subscribe, and that way you'll get the notification when that comes out. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. See you next time.